Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor Buddy, and this is your mentor Akhil. Today we are going to discuss the question which is based on ratio and proportion. Coming to the question first. The question says the weight of the three lumps of metal are in the ratio that is 3:4:5. Then by what fraction of themselves must the first two be increased so that the ratio of the weight must be changed to 5:4:3. Now in this kind of question we need to understand the basic logic of basic property of ratios. So coming to the property first. Okay, so the property says if any constant, the integer a x is greater than y, for example 5 is greater than 2, and in case if I'm multiplying any constant that is a on the either side, and let's say a is greater than 0, sorry, a is positive, right? So if we are taking the value of a to be as like 2, so in that case 5 into 2 that will be 10, also greater than 2 into 2 that will be 4. So this property is going to be held in this case. Now for example we also know 7 is greater than 4. Now I'm multiplying it with the a and considering the value of a to be as negative. Let's say a is -2. So if multiply with -2 on this either side, this will become -14 and this will become -8. So in this case -8 is greater than -14 and the inequality is changed. So we have to keep this thing in mind in order to solve this question. Now coming to the question, it says there are three metal lumps. Let's say the ratio are M1 is to M2 is to M3. The three metals are in the ratio of 3:4:5. This is the respective ratio which is given, and the question is by what fraction of themselves must the two be increased. So let's say in this first fraction there is an increment of value x, and in second fraction the increment is of y. So the new ratio of M1 is to M2 is to M3 will become 3 plus x ratio 4 plus y ratio 5. Now this ratio is given to be as, okay, and this will be equivalent to the given ratio, that is 5:4:3. Now in order to solve this part we need to understand the logic of compound ratio. Now according to the compound ratio, the form says if a ratio b is equals to 2:3 and b ratio c is equals to 4:5, then what will be the value of a ratio b ratio c? Now in order to solve this we have to see in the two ratios b is common. So in order to make this common we have to make the value of b also common as well. So for the similar reason, to make this 3 and 4 to be as common, I'll multiply by 4 this side and multiply by 3 on this ratio. So the new ratio will become a ratio b and b ratio c will become to be as 8:12, and this will become 12:15. Now we can see the value of b is similar, so the respective a ratio b ratio c will be 8:12:15. So this is the logic of compound ratio. Now we can see we have to make these to be as similar. So in order to make this to be as similar, I'll multiply by 3 here and multiplied by 5 in this ratio. So the new ratio will become 3 into 3 plus x ratio 3 into 4 plus y ratio 15 is equals to 25:20:15. Now it says that these two ratios are similar, so equating this value with 25. So this will become 3 into 3 plus x will be equals to 25 5. So this will become 9 plus 3x is equals to 25. So 3x is equals to 16 and x will be equals to 16 by 3. This is the value of x. Similarly, getting the value of y, equating this value with this value. So this will become 3 into 4 plus y is equals to 20. Solving this, this will become 12 plus 3y is equals to 20. So 3y is equals to 20 minus 12, that will be 8. So y will be equals to 8 by 3. So the respective values of x and y will be 16 by 3 and 8 by 3. We can see that is given as option number C, that is 16 by 3 and 8 by 3.